And the boys are back in it. Running diction or board race is a common ESL game. Students take turns to run to the board to write down words. With young learners, they can write down a word at a time. Older students can write down sentences. And the boys are back in it. Wow, well done, Henley. The girls have 3. Put them in teams, hand them a list or a pile of cards. Then they have to run, write it on the board, a word at a time, and come back. Then their friend has to run to the board and write down the next word. Okay, this is a spelling game, so try and write as many words as you can. You check the card, put it down, don't put it face up, put it down, come, write, change with your partner. Another fun way is to have 3 people in a team. 1 to write down the word, 1 to draw the word, and the other to run and check the word. They can also rotate so that everyone gets a chance. You can, if you want to pass, you can pass too, guys. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. That one was difficult, right? I'm sorry. I should have told you ahead of time. 10 seconds. Like the worst partner ever. Okay. 1 and stop. Stop. Okay. Stop here. Okay, let's quickly count. Who had the most? What is this? What is it? Eraser? No. Yes. Pencil. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ladies, good job.